In this continuation video on Google Finance, we're looking at the specific topic of portfolios. Now, as I mentioned in the previous videos on Google Finance, you need to be signed in to your Google account. So we can see here that I'm signed into this dummy account. So I'm now going to click Portfolios. So if this is your first time on using Portfolios signed into this Google account, you won't see anything. Essentially, you're being asked to create a portfolio. So we can, if you have existing financial data, import. And what we can do is click the Import Transactions. And we can import as the CSV file format. So if you've got a spreadsheet in maybe Excel or one of the free spreadsheets out there, you can do that. Or you can import as an OFX file. Now, if you're someone who's already been working in finance a lot, then you'll be familiar with OFX, and it stands for the Open Financial Exchange Format. And essentially, it's the standard file format for exchanging financial data or streams of financial data. So if you have one of those, you can go ahead and do that. I'm going to hit cancel. So what I'm going to do is just give you a brief demonstration on adding a company and shares into a portfolio. So I'm going to go ahead and pretend I have some shares in Apple. Go ahead and add that to the portfolio. So what we're seeing here immediately, and let's just bring the screen over, is that we're seeing information related to Apple up here, and then we come down, we can see a chart, charting performance, and then portfolio related news at the bottom as well. And yeah, in the right hand corner, because you're talking about purchasing shares, that gives you a legal right to attend shareholder meetings, and we can find out upcoming events and past events as well here. So it's got some basic details on the last time these shares were traded, but we're going to want to actually add in some information about shares that we currently own. So I'm going to go ahead and edit transactions. And under that, I can now put in shares that I've purchased. So we're talking about Apple here. We're talking about shares that I've actually bought in the past. And the date will actually be, let's see if this will allow us to go back. No, it doesn't. Okay, I'm going to go back to August the 25th. There we are. And on August the 25th, I know shares closed at around $242.89. And I need to cut that out. I've actually put it into the wrong box. What I'm going to say is I bought 100 shares on that day at the $242.89 a share. I'm going to say there was a $1 commission there. And I'm going to go ahead and hit Save Changes. So immediately we've got this new column here that's appeared, and it's telling me my portfolio value. Now, even though the day's gain wasn't a gain, I can actually see we made a loss of $774 on Friday, which was the last trading day. Today's President's Day, so the market is closed. But we can see that actually I've made a gain overall, and that's a gain of 44.32%. So my shares have actually gone up $10,000 since that day that I purchased them. So this is a very, very basic demonstration of how you can work with your portfolio. As you saw there, you can look add in selling shares, buying and selling short. So there's a lot you can do here with it. You can add in other companies, create new portfolios. So if you're in different sectors, you can have a portfolio for each sector. I'm not actually a financial expert. I'm certainly not licensed to trade in this field, so I don't feel comfortable in going in any more detail. But if you are playing the stock market as a beginner and you want some way to manage your share portfolio, other than using maybe an Excel spreadsheet and having to manage all that data by hand, or perhaps you're a Yahoo user and you've been using Yahoo Finance, but you want perhaps an easier way to manage your portfolio, then I would certainly look at Google Finance. As I say, you have to be logged in. Google will remember all this data and every day update this information for you. So hopefully you've found this very brief introduction into portfolios worthwhile. And as I say, if you are trading and certainly you're a learner or a beginner, then you might find the portfolios facility within Google Finance something you want to experiment with.